everybody. I'm gonna sneeze. Nope, never mind. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're doing yet another taste test video for you because
that's what we do.
That's a lot of what we do, yeah. We're planning on doing more interesting, more fun-filled, more exciting video for you. But anywho, I keep saying I need to work on that. I'm in a communications course. So we are going to try a monster that we've never had before. It is this one. It's been sitting in our fridge for a while because we were a little nervous to drink it. It is called the Monster Mule Ginger Brew. Now, I'm not a fan of ginger beer. I like ginger ale. Ginger beer, whole other beast. It's gross. It's disgusting.
It is really gross.
It's gross. So, we're nervous to try this. I am, at least.
I am too.
Nervous to try this. But we've got these little wee jars. Yoplait wee yogurt. It's delicious, and they come in glass jars that we are going to use in future videos.
Woo woo.
So, she's gonna pour a little in each of them. Oh, it's clear.
No,
kind of.
It's off-white.
It looks almost like ginger ale, but a little more opaque. So here we go. Oh no, it smells
like ginger, like a lot of ginger.
Okay, here we go. Dink and drink.
No. No. I do not recommend this.
Oh
my goodness. It's like it's bad.
It tastes kind of musty.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I said it's been sitting in our fridge for a while, but not that long.
No.
Never again.
Mm-mm.
Never
ever
again.
It's bad. It tastes like ginger ale that you left out and it got musty. That's what it tastes like. Really bad. Really, really bad. All right. Well, yep. That just happened.
I'm traumatized. My brain is short-circuited.
Ew, it's gross. All I do is take a sip and I'm like,
how can we make it better? Because we don't want to waste it.
We'll figure something out. I don't know. All right, well, yay.
Pray for me.
Pray for us. That's just gross.
So that's a negative on that one. Do not try that. Do not try that. No.
Bad. As bad.
No. Anywho.
Apple cider vinegar is better.
Oh, much better. Are you kidding me? Oh.
That's bad. That's so bad. It's not even funny how bad it is.
I can't even process what's happening in my mouth. It's still there.
It's, yeah.
That's all for today. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below with more things you would like us to try, or video ideas you might have, or questions you might have for us. And
yeah.
Subscribe for more
fun,
wonderful content
and funny faces after we test things. All right. Well,
thanks so much for watching.
Have a great day.
Until next time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.
Bye.